I'm DJ Schurz.
I'm Professor E. This is AdventureBot.
And this is a robot program. And in today's episode, we're going to show you how to connect and control your AdventureBot. Let's go to the studio and see how it's done.
We're going to see what AdventureBot can do today. So how do we get started with connecting?
Your battery should be charged, so ensure that you disconnect the charger by grabbing the plug with your nails and gently rocking back and forth until it disconnects. Don't pull on it so that the wire is the supporting part. Make sure you use your fingers. So now we're going to turn our robot on. Wait for the boot up chime. Locate your Wi-Fi network for the robot. It's going to be something like EZBV4 with a bunch of numbers, and those numbers represent the unique identifier for your robot. Select it and click Connect. Now load EasyBuilder. We're going to skip going to the Easy Robot School. Click Example Projects. Choose AdventureBot. And we're going to say no to putting the robot together. We've already done that. Now it's as simple as pushing the Connect button, and it comes to life.
There you go.
As you can see, the camera is visible and it's a little blurry because you can see our camera guy. The reason why it's blurry is because this is a brand new robot. And if we turn this around, there's a little piece of plastic on the camera that protects the lens. So peel that away. There we go.
Look how clear it is.
Now we can see us. And there's Andreas. Say hi, Andreas. Okay, to begin controlling our robot, we have a servo movement panel, we have a microphone, and we have some music we can play. Let's start by controlling the robot with the movement panel. These each dials are your speed controls. We're going to turn those all the way up on both. One is for the left wheel and one is for the right wheel. Next, click into the black box where it says click here to use arrow keys. And now we can use our arrow keys to drive the robot.
Come to me, AdventureBot.
To get an experiment with all the things that AdventureBot can do, we can begin by, for example, clicking on the microphone. The microphone record button will record my voice through the microphone on your laptop or your computer. Additionally, what we can do is we can select RoboScratch, and RoboScratch allows us to program the robot and get it to do interesting things. We make it do dances and speak and even play some music. I'll give you a quick example. We can choose forward, and we can specify the speed in which we want the robot to move and how long we want it to move for. We'll choose 3 seconds. We may also want some music to play while this is happening. So let's scroll down for sound, and we're going to choose sound. You notice there's two sounds, sound wait and a sound. That means sound wait will mean wait until the sound is completed before it continues on, and sound on its own means play the sound and then continue the next command. So let's choose some sound. Let's choose the accordion music. That's fun. Now we want the sound to play before it moves forward. I did this on purpose to show you you can drag the command beneath the other command and change the order in which they execute. So we're going to have a move forward, we'll have a move turn left, turn right, and then speak and say, I am AdventureBot.
Sounds good.
So we'll choose left for 2 seconds. We'll choose right for 2 seconds. And now we will have him speak with the say command. We'll use say wait. That means wait until the command is completed, so he's finished spoken before he continues on to the next command. And he's going to say, I am AdventureBot. And you can put your cursor on these little blue question boxes here to see what the different commands do. Ready to run it?
Let's see what happens.
Let's make sure we have enough room on the table. Here we go. Click start. If you want to see the code that's generated by what you've actually added, you can select source code and view all the code as well.
So we can see forward, right, left, talking, music, everything we did.
One of the best things about Easy Robots is all of them have a camera. So that means the robot can see, and you can have the robot react to what it sees. I'm going to turn the robot around so he can face me, and I'm going to visit the first desktop that we were in earlier. I'm going to click on the gear button of the camera control and turn on movement tracking. You can put your cursor over top of the question boxes here to read what those options do. I'm going to click Save. Next, choose the Tracking tab, select Color. Now the default color that the robot's going to track is the color red. So when I put this red football in front of the robot, he's going to start following it. You ready?
Oh, yeah. Like that. So he knows where it is. He's using his camera to obtain peripheral information.
That's right.
Which helps to educate him, and then he can follow different programs.
That's correct. So you can have fun when you take the ball away.
Oh,
you get
he's sad.
So you can have fun having the robot chase colors as well as your face. And in future episodes, we'll show you how to do all of that.
In this episode, we showed you how to connect to your Revolution AdventureBot. First thing you want to do, make sure you unplug your freshly charged robot. You can turn on AdventureBot using the power switch underneath his body. If you go to the Wi-Fi connections of your computer, you'll see a connection called EZB. That's the connection you want to connect to in order to speak to your robot. You're going to bring up the EasyBuilder software and click on the blue Connect button to fully connect to your AdventureBot. There are lots of pre-built functions and programs within the software, and you can even control his movement using the arrow keys. If you're feeling creative, hop on over to RoboScratch and try building your own program. Make sure you charge your battery again after you're done so you're ready to go for your next project. Thanks for watching this episode, and we'll see you next time. What letters are always at the start of the Wi-Fi connection name? Which control panel is used for AdventureBot's movement? What is the default color for camera color tracking? Find the answers at therobotprogram.com.